Good morning. Welcome back to Posh Simplified. This is Rajashri Rajshekhar, your Posh expert. We have been talking about complaints, and I am going to take some more episodes on complaints because if you are able to make a proper complaint, then it is easy for the committee to give justice and also easy for the committee to collect right kind of evidences. So complaints are important, but right kind of complaint is critical. Okay. Now I would like to highlight here when the complaint comes, the respondent can be a woman, respondent can be a man. So the respondent need not get scared. Please understand very clearly, the respondent need not get scared because every respondent has a right to, right to bring their facts on the table. So this is where the natural justice is followed. So what is the natural justice is that the respondent has first of all right to know about the complaint. No one can just come and say to you that we have a complaint and now just come and sit for the inquiry. That is not right thing. The respondent first of all has right to know about the complaint. Second, respondent gets 10 days time to respond to the complaint to prove that he or she is not guilty of the accusations. So there is a possibility that you have not done anything or something has happened, but you have right to bring your facts, your witnesses, your side of the story on the table in writing. So your response is important and the natural justice gives you that right, and IC committee gives you 10 days time to respond back. You are not pushed, there is no hurry. So please ensure that you respond peacefully, take your time, give proper facts, and then the committee will reach out to you to understand. Thank you. We'll know about it in the next episode.